In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom ClickUp dashboards. We're going to walk through a simple example so you can see exactly how to go from a regular list of tasks to a live dashboard that shows your team's workload and progress. Feel free to follow along in your own ClickUp workspace as we go. First, start inside the list where you're already managing work. This might be a client list, a project list, or any list you use regularly. Having your tasks well organized here will make your dashboard much more meaningful, because the dashboard is simply a visual layer on top of the data you already have. From this list view, look toward the top or side navigation where ClickUp gives you different ways to visualize your work. Find the option that opens more views or tools for reporting. Click on the area that's highlighted in the interface to reveal additional options, and then choose the option labeled Track Metrics and Insights. This is ClickUp's way of saying, let's move from task management into reporting and dashboards. When you click Track Metrics and Insights, ClickUp will take you into the dashboard creation area. Here you'll see options to start with templates or build something more custom. For this walkthrough, we're going to use a template that focuses on workload and status because it's a great starting point for understanding how dashboards work. Next, click on the highlighted template section and then choose Ready. This confirms that you want to use this layout as the base for your dashboard. Think of this as choosing a pre-built structure that you can tweak, rather than building everything from scratch. Now, select the Workload by Status option. This will add a widget that shows you how much work is sitting in each status, like To Do, In Progress, or Complete. It's a powerful way to quickly see bottlenecks and understand where your team's attention is needed. At this point, you'll see configuration options for the widget. Click on the highlighted areas to adjust settings such as which list or space the data is pulled from, what statuses you want to include, and how you want the information grouped. Take a moment to make sure it's pulling from the correct list you started in so the data matches what you expect. Once you're happy with the settings, click on the final highlighted button to confirm your choices, and then click Save. This locks in your dashboard widget and adds it to your dashboard layout. You've now created a custom ClickUp dashboard view that tracks workload by status, giving you instant visibility into how work is flowing through your process.